When it comes to soldering in electronics, a high-quality desoldering tool is equally as important as any soldering equipment. The Hakko FM-204 desoldering station features everything you need for any through-hole soldering application, including a built-in vacuum pump, a lockout key card to prevent accidental or unauthorized temperature settings, sleep mode functionality, which is engaged when the handpiece is placed back into the holder, and a gun or pencil style desoldering handpiece. The FM-204 desoldering handpiece features superior heat transfer and thermal recovery, a quick change nozzle heater cartridge, an easy to remove disposable filter, and it can be easily converted from a gun to pencil configuration. The FM-204 is easy to use. When the set temperature is reached, a buzzer will sound and a heater lamp on the front of the panel will start blinking, indicating the unit is ready for use. Position the nozzle over the solder joint to be desoldered. As soon as the solder has melted, extract the solder by pressing the trigger button on the handpiece. As an added bonus, the Hakko FM-204 can also be used for soldering with the Hakko FM-2027 soldering handpiece. The Hakko FM-204, a desoldering and soldering station in one.